Members take their seat. ये मैं अनाउंसमेंट करना चाह रहा हूँ. There are 65 without me. Now I will request the opposition, they rise on their seats who oppose. मैंने गलती से members may take their seats. 65 members have voted in favor of clause 2 and 4 members are against it. So the motion is carried by the votes of not less than 2/3 of the total membership of the House. Clause 2 therefore forms part of the bill. There is amendment in the name of Senator Kamran Murtaza and others, which is insertion of new clause 2A. Please move the amendment.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. सर, दूसरे सेनेटर्स का नाम भी ले लेते ताकि उनका नाम जो है वो कम से कम आपके मुंह से आ जाता. हाँ,
मैंने नाम बोला है.
हाँ, नहीं, एंड अदर्स कर दिया ना आपने. कामरान मुर्तज़ा, मौलाना अताउर रहमान, मौलवी अब्दुल वासी, JUI की तरफ से. Sir, it is moved that in the Constitution 26th Amendment, Bill 2024, as introduced in the House after Clause 2, the following new Clause 2A shall be inserted, namely Amendment of Article 38 of the Constitution. In the Constitution, in Article 38, for paragraph F, the following shall be substituted, namely, eliminate riba completely before the first day of January 2028 ends.
Minister Saab.
Thoroughly examined these amendments. I have also taken up this matter in the cabinet and the cabinet approved also. I have no objection, so this may be carried.
I now put the amendment to the House. Those who are in favor of the amendment may say aye. Aye. Those against the amendment may say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The amendment is adopted. The question is clause 2 do form part of the bill. All those members who are in favor of the clause 2A may rise in their seats and count to be made.